Alright, chat. Welcome to the second episode of Trading Acceleration, where I basically simplify ICT concepts for beginners and I cut out the yap and whatnot. So let's hop into the video. Today, we are going to be talking about candles and how to read this. We're going to go from literally beginner to like more advanced concepts, so you can be hitting trades like this. And I swear I've been on a win streak lately. I haven't been deleting any losses. So what we're learning today is candlesticks. So most likely from movies and whatnot, this is how you see stock markets. Just squiggly lines, just moving up and down. And you know, this is not very informative. So this is mostly just to see the general trend on, like, let's see the higher time frames. Let's say we're on the, I don't know, weekly. So this is just to get the the overall movement of the market, right? But it's not informative whatsoever. That's why we trade with candlesticks. So the problem with candlesticks, or what most people have, is that they don't understand it at all. So I'm here to explain it to you. So first of all, each candle reflects what time we're on. So over here at the bottom, you'll see it the whole time, or at the top here, it's selected. So right now we're on the 5-minute time frame. As you can see right now, do you see how there's one forming? So this one will keep moving up and down and whatnot, and it's gonna finish in 5 minutes. See how there's a countdown on TradingView. On TradingView, it tells you how long it's gonna take, but it's gonna keep moving up and down. And each candle here is 5 minutes. So it took 5 minutes to make this, 5 minutes to make this, 5 minutes to make this, 5 minutes to make this. You know, so that's on 5 minutes. Let's say we hop onto the 1 hour. Again, 1 hour to make this, 1 hour to make this, 1 hour to make this. And what you have to realize is that time is fractal, meaning that whatever happens on the higher time frames happens on the lower time frames. So a 15-minute candle, so this one candle right here, it takes 15 minutes to make this. Or let's look at this one. It takes 15 minutes to make this one candle, which means that it's going to take 3 of the 5-minute candles to make that 115. So this is literally just the move of 3 5-minute candles. If we mark out the close, the open, the close, the top of the wick, and the bottom of the wick, you'll see what I mean. So if you hop onto the 5 minutes, literally it opened right here, moved up, boom. So these three are that 115-minute candle. So what that means is, hold up, I'm getting ahead of myself. So that's all it is. Time candles are like they're fractal, which means that it represents on the different timelines. That's the same thing for this. 1 5-minute candle would be 5 1-minute candles. So that's all it is on the time frames. How am I doing on the video? 3 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep this series pretty short. So let's look at one candle. Okay, let's dive into this one candle right here. This candle right here. So what does that mean? So this is a body. This body is the move of the candle. So the finalized move of the candle. The bottom of the candle, since basically what we do is we find, so over here, do you see how this candle finished kind of like this? If we move to the side of this is its open right here, and this is its close. So that means price moved up, down, up, down, up. This was the highest it's been, and it moved down, blah blah blah. It just did some random moves and it finished here. So let's look at it on the 1 minute. So let's like specifically this candle. Let's look at it on the 1 minute. So we'll see the general moves. So boom, this was the lowest it's been, and this the highest it's been. So we'll see 5 candles that peaked at that one spot. So boom, 5 candles that peaked at that one spot. We start from here, I think, or here, and then we finish this one. So boom, it went up, hit here, went down, and then closed right there, which means that if we go into the 5-minute candle, we'll see the same thing. Where, I'm sorry, it's just kind of like hard to find. Where was it? Where did I do that? Hold up, wait. Am I blind? Okay, whatever. You guys get the gist. This stick right here is how the highest has been. This is where it finished. And then if we go to the side of it, this is where the candle opened. Highest has been, the lowest has been, where it finished. So if we look at one candle forming right now on a recent trade, oh, because I'm looking at the wrong stuff. Okay, here. See, this the highest has been, the lowest has been, where it opened, and where it finished. If the close is below the open, so over here, let's say this is the open, right? Because we went to the side of it. This is the open. Since the close is below the open, it's a bearish candle, which means it goes down. So this is what you got to remember. Bullish means that the candle is going up. Bearish means that it's going down. Here the candle is bearish. Bearish candle, bullish, 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 bearish, bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, bullish, so on and so forth. So if we look at this candle, one candle forming, you'll see it move up and down. See, it's moving down. It's moving down, moving down. This is the highest has been in the 5 minutes. This is the lowest has been in the 5 minutes. This is where it opens. But right now the servers are kind of messed up, so it shifted the candle a little up. So that's all it is to know. What we're going to learn is how markets move, and then we're going to learn how to actually take this information, because this gives us a lot of information. Right now it seems like, yeah, we get to know the highest has been, the lowest has been, and whatnot, but that's not really that informative so far. But when we move into the further concepts, we'll find that these lessons, or whatever the market is showing us a specific set of patterns, not patterns, but like a specific set of hints of what the algorithms, because you know, the market makers and whatnot, the institutions, they trade in a certain way, and that the price, the wicks, the bodies, and whatnot, it tells us hints of where the market will continue to go. So that's what we're gonna learn. We're gonna learn how the market moves in the next episode, and then after that, we're gonna get into fair value gaps, liquidity sweeps, order blocks, inverse fair value gaps, change in state of delivery, SMTs, so on and so forth. Finally, I'm gonna give you guys a strategy. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something, and if you did, consider subscribing so you can hit profits like this. I don't even have it just there. I also have it here too. Here I lost. You see, I don't hide my losses. But yeah, see ya.